Kua takoto he Manuka, the leaves of the Manuka tree, the challenge has been laid. There was a time when Tāne and his brothers were cramped and confined between the unrelenting and loving embrace of their parents, Papatūānuku and Ranginui. Our atua acknowledged this challenge. There was a time when our whanau were punished for speaking their native language and prohibited from applying their traditional healing methods. Our whanau, we acknowledged this challenge. There was a time when alcohol and drugs entered our whakapapa and became a normalised approach to coping with our daily life stresses. That time is now. How do we acknowledge this challenge?